Hi everybody, we are going to continue to another video about classes, and this one is about the toString method. So sometimes we may want to create a greeting that expresses certain features of the phone as a phrase. In this case, the toString method comes in handy. So, like I said, it expresses features of an object as a phrase. The toString method always returns a string, and it often uses the class's data fields. So let's just go ahead and write a toString method. So I'm going to go back to BlueJ, go into my cell phone class, and I'm going to create a toString method. Let me actually just put it up here so it's a little bit more. It's going to return a greeting phrase with some information about the cell phone. So public something toString. I already told you that a toString method is always going to return a string. So just keep that in mind, capital S for string. And then we will just return some type of phrase. So I am just going to return some type of greeting. Put it in quotes, hi. I am a color phone with a screen size inch screen. So notice that we have some things inside quotations, and like these things in green, and some things not in quotations, which are these names, color, and screen size, and they're all separated with plus signs. These are string concatenators. They basically just help mush a string together. So we've got color and screen size. Now what are those? Well, those are actually our data field names, the exact data field names up here, color and screen size. So whatever color and screen size the phone is, that is going to become part of the phrase. So if the color is blue and the screen size is 4.2, then those values are going to be expressed inside this phrase, since they are not in quotes. Now the stuff that is in quotes, like hi, I am and then these other pieces of things in quotes, those phrases are going to be returned exactly as is and just become part of the phrase. And you'll see what this is in just a minute. So once you've written your toString method, go back to the runner, and we are going to make the phone say something. So we'll say part E, create a greeting that allows your yellow phone, or yeah, this is now a yellow phone, to print a phrase. Okay? So you'll just see what this is in a minute. So you could do this a number of ways. You can call the toString method. So my yellow phone's name is, well, this was a blue phone, but we changed it to yellow in the previous example. So this name is iPhone. So we could say iPhone. I'm sorry, iPhone.toString, because that's the name of it. Notice that toString does not have any parameters, just like the toString here, so nothing in the parentheses. Then if we want, we can store this inside a string. So we could make a string variable, just call anything, stir, and then we can print out this value. So when we run this, we'll just compile both of these and go to here, void main. So as you can see, it printed out 4.2, which was when we printed out the screen size of the iPhone, which was 4.2. And then it also printed out that phrase, "Hi, I am a yellow phone with a 4.2-inch screen." So it basically just called the toString method. "Hi, I am a," and then it says whatever color the phone is. In this case, it was yellow. It's a phone with a, and then whatever the screen size was, which was 4.2-inch screen. And that's how the toString method works. Now, there's other ways to do this. If you go back to the runner, you could also do part E like this. You could get rid of the variable string stir and just put that entire phrase iPhone.toString inside the print statement, and that works just fine too. So if we compile this and run the program again, it does the exact same thing. Oh, even more of a shortcut, I don't even need to do that. I could literally just put in system out print iPhone, and what this will do is it's going to, let me expand this, it's going to automatically call the toString method. So if you see the name of an object inside print line, it will automatically call toString, and you don't even have to write .toString. That's just the case for toString, not other methods, so just keep that in mind. So again, if I compile this, try again, see, same output. And that's pretty much it for toString. Let me know if you have any questions.